See, Java arrays. What is array? In Java, array is an object that holds a fixed number of values of a single data type. Single data type. Say suppose if it is VB script array can hold different types of data type, but Java array can hold single data type only. Next, the length of array is established when the array is created. Next point, array length is fixed. Index starts from 0 to n minus 1. See, first, what is array? See, in Java, array is an object. Array is an object that holds that holds a fixed number. That holds a fixed number of values of a single data type. Single data type. Next, the length of or size or length. The length of array is established when the array is created. The length of an array is established when the array is created. When the array is created. Next point, array length is fixed. Index starts from 0. Array length is fixed. Array index starts from 0. See, if it is VB script, in VB script you can find dynamic arrays, but here array is static, size fixed. Next, declaration of arrays. And one more thing, Ritesh, array list also there, that I will explain later. Array list. See, in Perl script, associated array concept is there. In Perl script, variables, scalar variables, array variables, next hash variables are associated arrays. In VB script, Mamata, can you remember VB script? In VB script also we have two types of variables, scalar variables, array variables, and one more concept also there, dictionary object. The dictionary object is equivalent to associated array in Perl script. Getting this point?
Yes, sir.
Here also array list concept is there. Java array list is equivalent to associated array in Perl script, dictionary object in VB script. Okay, I will explain associated array later. In this chapter, just array. Just array. Virat, is it? I started. Virat, no problem. Okay, na Ritesh?
Yes, sir.
Array list. another concept also there that I will explain later. See, in this chapter, arrays, declaration of arrays. Concentrate. See, first method. In this first method, syntax, I will provide example also. Concentrate. Syntax, first syntax. Data type, next array can hold data, so data type important, data type mandatory, data type array name, next square brackets, semicolon. This is creating array or declaring array. Next step, array name equal to new here data type square brackets, within square brackets size, semicolon. Define size. Next, third step, array name of index starts from 0, index equal to value, semicolon. This is assign value. Next, just a minute. See, index 0, index 1 based on size, like this. See, this is the syntax. Next, example. See, launch Eclipse IDE. Just a minute. Virat, launch Eclipse IDE. Just a minute. Guide me, Dilpreet. You know the syntax. Create array.
So string.
Suppose integer type array. First concentrate on integer type array.
So integer.
Int.
Square brackets.
What is the first step in this method? First data type array name.
A.
Suppose EA.
Square brackets.
See, 1 to 256 letters. Name of variable or array. Square brackets.
Equal to.
Observe the syntax. What is the first step? This is first step.
So semicolon.
Observe the syntax. Second step. This is second step. Next, third step. Okay. Now focus. Int array name square brackets semicolon. Over. Next step. Second step. Define size. See, this is create array. Create or declare array. Next step, define size. Array name A equal
Equal
to
new
new keyword,
integer
new int of size, suppose 3, size 3, semicolon. See, define size. Next, third step, assign value. See here, size is 3. Index starts from 0. 0
A0
to n minus 1 means 0 to 2. 0, 1, 2. Then size 3. 0, 1, 2. Next, assign
so
values. Integer type data only. Suppose a of 0. A of 0 equal to some 10, semicolon. Next, a of 1 equal to some 20, semicolon. A of 2 equal to some 30, semicolon. Just try to display SYSO control space, enter. A of 0 plus A of 1. See, it will show 30. Next, SYSO control space, enter. Suppose A of 2. It will show same 30. Run the program. See outputs 30, 30. Observe, Supriya, did you understand this syntax?
Yes, sir.
This is first method. In this first method, we have 3 steps: create array, define size, and assign value. Assign value, multiple steps based on size of the array. Okay. Next, assign values. Assign values to array elements that more than the length of array. Just a minute. Assign values to array elements that more than the size of array. Will it accept, Ritesh? Will it accept or show error?
It will accept.
More than size. Suppose if you are able to assign values to elements that more than the size of array, then what is the meaning of the size? Size is fixed. We already discussed. Runtime error. Runtime error. See, basically in computer programming we have 2 types of errors: syntax error, system grammar error. Another is runtime error. This is runtime error. See, try to observe this one. Suppose A of 5 or A of 3 also. Suppose A of 3 equal to 40. Observe, Supriya. Is it showing any error? Syntax error?
No, sir.
No marking. Try to run the program. Try to run the program. It is showing runtime error na?
Yes, sir.
See, it is not acceptable. Ritesh, Understand the concept? Any confusion?
No, sir. Got it.
Okay. See, this is runtime error. So we can assign elements based on the size only. Next, assign values to some elements only. Say, observe, in the first example, we assigned values to all elements. 3, size 3 na, index 0, 1, 2. Next, second example, more than the size 0, 1, 2, 3. See, showing runtime error. Next, assign values to elements. Otherwise, assign values to some elements only. Some elements only. Any error, Mamata? If we assign, suppose array size is 5. You can assign
Okay.
five elements 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Otherwise,
Yes, sir.
suppose
No error.
just a minute. Suppose 4. 0, 1, 2, 3. 4 elements. All
Okay.
elements. We assigned values to all elements. Run the program. It won't show any error. See, providing output. Suppose A of 1. Say here array size is 4. You can assign values to 4 elements. Index starts from 0, 0 to n minus 1. 0, 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. Just a minute. We didn't assign values to all elements, only some elements. No
No
A
error.
of 1, no A of 3. Will it show any error or execute
No error.
properly?
Execute properly.
Yes, it will execute. Why? See, assign values to all elements or some elements. No issue. Based on your requirement, you can assign values. But if you try to assign more than the size, if you try to assign values to elements more than the size, then it will show error. Suppose if you assign values to some elements, no issue. Observe, it is showing correct output, no runtime error. Next, assign invalid values, invalid data type. What will happen, Madhavi, if you assign invalid values? What we discussed? See,
Runtime error, sir.
not runtime error. See, array is an object that holds a fixed number of values of a single data type. Here, array is integer type array. If you try to assign another type, not runtime error, syntax error.
Syntax error, right.
Syntax error. See, assign invalid values. Invalid values. Invalid means here data type. Invalid data type. It leads to syntax error. Syntax error. See, observe. Suppose in array size 3, you can assign 3 values 0, 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2. 3 values 0, 1, 2. Suppose 0, 1, 2. If you try to just a minute, 0, 1. You can use same values for different elements. It will execute. Okay. Next, try to assign invalid data type. Suppose A of 2. Just a minute. 1.23. See, it is showing syntax error. This is syntax error. You cannot execute. If you try to execute, it will show. See, observe, errors exist in required projects. Proceed. See, error only. Okay, na Saloni, are you following?
Yes, sir.
Say, observe, first example, we assigned values to elements. Here size 3, 0, 1, 2. Just a minute. This is first example. Executed. Second time, more than the size, A of 3. Runtime error. Third time, assign values to some elements only. Executed. Next, fourth example, assign invalid data type. Syntax error. See, this is first method. Next, second method. In the second method, only 2 steps. In first method, 3 steps. In second method, 2 steps. Observe Dilpreet. Syntax. Data type, square brackets, array name equal to new data type, next size, semicolon. See, declare array with length. Declare array, okay, with size. Next, second step, assign values. See, array name, next index equal to value. Next example. Dilpreet, guide me. Example. 2 steps. In the second method, 2 steps only.
So integer,
Suppose integer,
square
brackets,
A
suppose variable name, array name A
equal to
equal to
new integer
data type of
brackets.
size, suppose 3. See, the same step. See, declare array with size, Okay. Next step.
So A of 0
Suppose A of 0 equal to some 10. A of 2, A of 1 equal to same 10. Is it correct usage or incorrect usage?
so correct usage.
Correct usage. Values may be duplicated. No issue. Next, suppose A of 2. You can use same values for different elements. No issue. Suppose 20. See. A of 0 plus A of 1. It will show 20. Output 20. Run the program 20. See, this is second syntax. Next, third method. Observe Saloni, you need to guide me. Third method. Third method. First syntax. Syntax. Data type. Data type. Square brackets. Next, array. Array name. Data type square brackets. Array name equal to open curly braces. Next, enter values. See, value 1, value 2, value 3, like this. Close curly braces, semicolon. Just a minute. Close curly braces, semicolon. Say, based on the number of elements, size is automatic. Isn't it, Ritesh? Here, what is the size of this array? 3 values now.
Yes, sir.
You no need to define the size separately. Suppose if we enter 3 values, size is 3. If you enter 10 values, size 10. See, the first method, 3 steps. Declare array, define size, next assign values. In second method, 2 steps. First declare array with size, next assign values. In third method, single step. Declare array and assign values. If you assign values, based on that values, size will be generated automatically. Okay. Next, guide me Saloni. Suppose example.
Int.
Just a minute.
Int.
Just a minute. Int.
A square bracket.
Int. Square brackets.
A equals.
A equals to.
Open curly braces.
Open curly braces. Values. Suppose some 10,
10,
20, 30,
Close
40,
curly.
50. Close curly braces.
Semicolon.
Semicolon. Okay. See, this is declare array and assign values. Size automatic. Declare array and assign values. Assign values. Next, if you try to display
System.out.
control space enter. Suppose A of 1, A of 1 plus A of 2. What is the output, Saloni? A of 1 and A of 2?
30.
A of 1. Observe. Madhavi, you put mute. Madhavi, you put mute, Madhavi. Can you hear me, Madhavi?
Sir, it's in mute only.
But it is showing green symbol.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I'll just put a mute in there.
Okay,
then.
cool. Saloni, A of 1, A of 2. What is the output?
30.
30.
Yeah.
See, first value 10, A
10,
of
yes.
0. Second value A of 1. Next A of 2.
Okay, got it. It will be 50.
50. 20 plus 30, 50.
Yes. Yes, sir. Got it.
Okay, cool. Run the program. 50. Okay, now Suleiman, these three methods, creating arrays. Suleiman, Venkat, 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 can you hear me, Venkat? You try to use proper voice devices. Otherwise, no interaction. No interaction means what is the use of live program? Suleiman, Venkat, Virat. Okay, Venkat. Okay. You try to fix the problem at least by tomorrow. Virat, can you hear me? Hello? At least type the message, Virat. Can you hear me or not? Type the message in chat window. Otherwise, how I know? Okay, Virat. What about you, Suleiman? Suleiman. Mamata. Are you getting Mamata?
Yes, sir.
Okay, observe Mamata. You have knowledge on QTP, UFT, formerly QTP na? Difference between VB script and Java in case of arrays. Just a small case study. Difference between Java and Visual Basic Scripting Edition, VB script. We use VB script in UFT, formerly QTP. In case of arrays. See, in VB script, array is variable. Array variable. In Java, array is object. And one more thing, observe. If it is VB script, how you declare array variable? Using dim statement, dimension. Dim, for example, a of 3. Values, a of 0. Here no semicolon, such type of formalities in VB script. Plain statements equal to 10. Next, a of 1, just a minute. A of 1 equal to 20. Next, a of 2 equal to 30. 30. Otherwise, or you can use same. You can use fixed data type, or a of 0 equal to 10. Here single quote for comments in VB script. In Java, 2 forward slashes. Integer, this is integer type data. Suppose India, you can assign it is string type data. Suppose 1.234 double type data. Observe, Mamata, this usage, is it correct or incorrect in VB script?
It's correct.
It's correct. VB script arrays can hold different types of data also, but Java only fixed data type. Suppose Java. Suppose int a equal to square brackets 10, 20, 30, close square bracket, semicolon. It is correct usage. Correct usage. Next, int square brackets, suppose b equal to open curly braces 10, 20, 1.2. This one semicolon. Incorrect. Incorrect. Okay. Okay, now Ritesh, difference between VB script and Java in case of arrays.
Yes, sir.
Next, declaring different types of arrays. Declaring different types of arrays. Declaring different types of arrays. See. See, char, you can follow any one of those three methods. You can follow any one of those three methods. Say simple method, third method. That's why I'm following the third method. Char, square brackets, a variable array name equal to single quote a comma b comma c, like this. You can use small numbers also. D, close curly braces, semicolon. This is array of characters. Array of characters. Array of characters. Next, int square brackets b equal to open curly braces 10, 20, 30, 40, semicolon. It is array of integers. Array of integers. Next, string. String is not data type. String is object in Java. We use the string keyword for creating string type variable and string array of strings. Open square brackets, open and close, C equal to, just a minute, equals to, open curly braces, suppose UFT, next selenium, next RFT, next load runner, etc. Close curly braces, just a minute. Close curly braces, semicolon. This is array of strings. Array of strings. Next, Boolean. Boolean square brackets D equal to open curly braces. Tell me, Madhavi, what are the Boolean values? What? Only two types of values.
True or false, sir?
True or false. Suppose true, true, false, true, like this. See, don't use double quotes for true or false. Reserved words. They are reserved words, not strings. Next, what is this one? Array of Boolean values. Array of logical values. Next, double square brackets. Suppose E equal to open curly braces 1.234 comma 2.456 comma 6.7 close curly braces semicolon. Next, array of decimal point values. Array of decimal point values. So all of you put mute. Put mute. See, if you execute this script, output nothing means program is executing properly without errors, but no output. Okay. Suppose if any errors are there, it will show errors. See, output, that is one type of program execution, getting output. Next, no output, but no errors. Next, third one, errors. Okay, we have to rectify the errors. See, observe Saloni. I want to display this capital C. Tell me, Saloni, how to display that one? Madhumati, how to
Capital C.
I want to display that C. How to display?
A of 2.
A of 2. A of 2. See, it will display C. Next, Dilpreet, I want to display selenium.
So C of 1.
Just a minute. C of 1. Selenium. Run the program. See, C, selenium. See, this is about creating different types of arrays. Declaring different types of arrays. Next, some operations on arrays. See, in this chapter I will show some important operations. Remaining operations we will discuss in built-in methods chapter. See, in built-in methods we will discuss methods on arrays, array methods. Next, methods on strings, methods on numbers, etc. See, copy values from one array to another. See, operations. Array operations. See, copy values from one array to another. One array to another. Observe. First, declare integer type array. Int square brackets array 1 equal to open curly braces 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 semicolon. Next, int square brackets array2 equal to array1 semicolon. Just copied. Supriya, print array2. You know how to print array2. Using for loop, you can print array elements. Print array2
For
for
open brace,
for
open bracket, int
int. You take one
square
variable
braces.
for index, int I equal to, index starts from 0 na,
Yes, sir.
0 semicolon. Next, this is start value, index start value. Next, end value. What is the size of array?
1.
Size of array?
Sorry, 2.
2.
Oh, sorry. 5.
5 means, okay, 5.
Four.
See here, only limited elements you can calculate the size. Suppose if it is a lengthy array, what is the formula? Just a minute. I less than array2 dot length property. It is property, not method. Length property. Observe Supriya.
Yes,
Less
sir.
than. We are not using less than or equal to. Why? 0 to n minus 1 na.
Yes, sir.
Suppose less
Sir, but
than length
array2
means
has-
length minus 1 only na.
Yes, sir.
Next, increment I plus plus. Open curly braces. Next, display.
System.out.println
Ah,
array2.
array2 of index. Here, which one is indicating index? I. Any confusion, Supriya? Run the program.
Sir, what is the array2 in length?
Just a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Displaying. Now tell me.
Sir, here what is the array2 size?
We are
Is the
finding
same
the
as
size
array1?
length property. Here array is object na. We can apply
Yes, sir.
methods and properties on that object.
Okay.
See, those are predefined methods and properties. Here length is property. See, object, suppose object, dog is object.
Sir, here we are copying the array1 to array2 or we are
array1 to array2. Then it will store all these 1 to 5 values na.
Yes, sir.
And then what is the size of that array? You can find this length property.
Okay.
Just a minute. Array2
2.
dot length property. What is the
Okay.
length?
5.
Run the program. 5. Observe this one. First one. Length. And then what is the problem?
So here we are copying array1 to array2
Array2.
or we are finding the length?
Length.
Both we are doing?
Pardon?
We are doing both?
Not both. We are copying array1 and storing into array2. Just we are displaying array2. Now array1 and array2 same elements, same values.
Okay, sir.
This is copying example. Just a minute. Copying example, this one. Otherwise, display example also I will show. See, before this, don't confuse. This is second one. Suppose first one, print an array. Avoid the confusion. Print an array. Suppose remove this one. Array 1 only. Array 1. No another array. Run the program. Okay, now printing array.
Yes, sir.
Length 5, values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are confusing. Second example, copying. First example, just printing.
Okay, sir. Now I got it.
Next example, observe Dilpreet. Just a minute.
Sir, question.
Ah,
Sir, here we can use instead of a regular for, we can use to display the elements by using enhanced for loop also, right?
enhanced for loop. Is it required?
Here,
Guide me.
no, it's not required, but we can use that too.
Not required. Then the display. Tell me. For
int,
for int.
variable name.
Suppose
we can use colon array 1 system.out.println open system.out.println of I. Yes, sir. I mean in the braces.
Just I. Of I. Okay. Same. Yes, you can use enhanced for loop also.
Okay.
See, print an array. Just a minute. Using for loop. Next, put mute, print an array using enhanced for loop. Next, copy values from one array to another. Copy values to one array to another. Okay. See, next.
Sir, I want to ask you a question regarding for that we are using now. So, is it compulsory to follow the for loop syntax?
Pardon? Which for loop or enhanced for loop?
No, just a for loop, sir.
Just for loop. Just for loop. This one, first one. What is your query?
So, we declare the integer I equal to 0. So, we can declare outside of the loop for as well, right? Before for statement.
Yes. Just a minute. Int I initial value 0. Int I initial value 0. Just a minute. Here you just use I. Semicolon. What is happening?
can we remove I itself?
Just a minute. Starting position. See, syntax error na. And one more thing, suppose if you declare variable outside of this block, then how it increments?
That's again the second question, sir. We can
Just a minute.
increment
You answer this question. Suppose if we use class level variable, how can you increment that variable? Okay. Anyhow, it is showing syntax error. What is the problem? Try to identify the problem. Suppose just a minute. Just a minute. It's not taking. See, complete syntax required.
Yes, sir. For loop syntax only start value, na sir?
Start value. It is not accepting. Suppose static. Okay. What is your second question, Ritesh?
No, sir. I'm just saying that we in the for statement we use the I++. Instead of putting I++, there we can put the I++ under the curly braces as well, right?
See, this is fixed syntax, Ritesh. We have to follow this syntax. Start value, comma, end, so not comma, semicolon. Start value, semicolon, end value, semicolon, increment or decrement. This is fixed syntax.
Oh, okay. So we can do like only incremental, decremental with the integers only, right? Operations with the integers.
Yes, with integer,
With
increment or decrement.
Okay.
Okay. See, observe Madhumati. Suppose print array, not printer, copy values from one array to another. Suppose I want to copy only particular value, this 3 only. Observe this one. Observe this one. Say, if you have any ideas, you implement the ideas in your mission. If you find any problems, then mail me that script, that program. I will rectify the problem. Okay, na Ritesh? If you have any ideas, implement it.
Okay, sir.
If you find any problems, then mail me with description, program and description. Okay. Next, yes. Observe Madhumati. Madhumati, can you hear me? Madhumati. Why people are not responding properly? Mamata.
Yes, sir.
See, earlier we printed all elements. This time I want to, earlier we copied all elements. This time I want to copy only particular element. I want to copy this 3. This one only.
Okay. Array of 2. Yeah.
Array
2.
See, array 2 equal to array 2 equal to
array 1 of 2.
Array 1 of 2. Semicolon.
It's
showing a syntax error.
Yeah, array 1, sir. 1.
Oh, okay. Still.
I mean, no, sir. Yeah, here the name you misspelled the name. The array 1.
Just
the name.
Yes. This is array 1. I will just copy this one. Just a minute. Ah,
Still
still it is showing syntax error. This is syntax error. Okay,
Okay.
it is not the usage. Observe. Open curly braces, array, array1 of 2, close curly braces, semicolon. Now, SYSO control space enter, array 2, array 2 of 2. What is the output?
3.
3. Exception.
It should be array of 0, right? Array 2 of 0, right?
Array 2 of, yes, only one element, na? Yes, 0, only one element. It stores in first position, means 0, index 0. So it is showing 3. Okay, in our test automation arrays limited use, you do not focus more on this one. These concepts enough. This is copy particular value. Copy particular value from one array to another. Just a minute. Okay, next remaining operations we will discuss in built-in methods chapter. Next, come to another topic in the same chapter only. We have two types of arrays in Java. See, two types of arrays in Java. One is, just a minute. One is single dimensional array, single dimensional array. Next, multi-dimensional array, multi-dimensional array. See, we already discussed single dimensional array. I'll show example for multi-dimensional array. Example, 2D array. Observe Dilpreet, int array1 equal to square within curly braces 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is it single dimensional array or multi-dimensional array?
Sir, it's single dimensional.
Single dimension. See, single dimensional array. Next, int square brackets, 2 square brackets, 2D array. Array of 2 equal to open curly braces, one more curly braces, 1, 3, 5, 7, close curly braces, comma, open curly braces, suppose 2, 4, 6, 8, close curly braces. Next, one more, semicolon. This is multi-dimensional. Multi-dimensional array. Say, observe Ritesh. Suppose array 1 of 2. What is the output?
3, sir.
3. Okay. Run the program. So it is showing 3. Okay. Next, in 2D array, actually, first it is tabular format. First value indicates rows, second value indicate columns. See rows and columns, 2D array. Suppose, observe Dilpreet, array 2 of 0, 0. What is the output? 0,
1.
0. 1. Okay. First row, first column. Next, 1, 0. 1, 0. See, this is 0, 0. First row, first column, 0, 0. Next, 1, 0.
2 for second row, first
2.
row.
Next, suppose I want to display this 8. Dilpreet, I want to display this 8. Tell me.
So array 2, 1.
Array 2, 1.
3.
3. Good. This is 8. Run the program. See. Observe Madhavi. Madhavi, I want to display this 5. Tell me, Madhavi, 5. This one.
Sir.
Saloni.
0.
2. Yes,
0.
sir.
2.
2. Yes.
Yeah.
0, 2. Any confusion, Ritesh?
No, sir.
Okay. Just a minute. This one 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3. Next 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3. Next one small assignment to Dilpreet, personal assignment. See, tomorrow onwards I will give assignment to all. Say common assignments. Common assignments. Observe Dilpreet. Assignment is print 2-dimensional array. See. Assignment. Ritesh, you didn't send your assignment, yesterday's assignment. Okay, try to send at least by this weekend. Print 2-dimensional array. Here I am providing hint also using nested for loop. Nested for loop. Okay, now Dilpreet, did you understand the requirement?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, one more topic. Advantages and disadvantages of arrays. Advantages. Okay, Ritesh, you sent to my mail, my email gcred@gcred.com. Advantages. Okay. Okay, cool. And disadvantages. Disadvantages of arrays. See, first, advantages. Advantages. Using arrays, we can optimize the code. Data can be retrieved easily. Using arrays, we can optimize the code. We can optimize the code. Data can be retrieved. Data can be retrieved easily. Next, we can get required data using index position. We can get required data using index position. Index position. Next, disadvantages. Disadvantages. Say we can store fixed number of elements only. Here no dynamic arrays. In VBScript, dynamic arrays also there. See, we can store fixed number of elements only. Next, it doesn't change its size during execution. It doesn't change its size during execution. Observe, Ritesh, if you want to change the size during execution, then you can use array list. That I will explain later. Array list. Getting this point?
Yes, sir.
Observe first. Observe the problem, Ritesh. First of all, when we need to change the size of array during execution, is it required?
Maybe, sir, when we using
suppose if you are copying data from files, suppose you don't know the size of the data, that time dynamic array required na?
Yes, sir.
You cannot define the size of array. Suppose if you define size 100, suppose in that file 200 values are there, copying problem. If it is dynamic array, it will resize. Okay. Anyhow, I will show arrays list in future chapters. Then you can get more clarity. See, this is about arrays. Any queries, Mamata? Arrays.
No, sir. Clear.
Okay. See,